What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dirty Hands Woodworking. Guys, as you can see, the laser has arrived. Finally. And I say finally because it took me over 5 years to finally just hit that buy button. I've been wanting one. Years ago, they were a lot more expensive, a lot more out of reach, but now it's finally in reach. And we decided, let's do it. Let's get one. And see what it's all about. See if I can figure it out. Putting it together is not going to be an issue. I've watched enough YouTube videos from great content creators here on YouTube and reached out to a few of them. They've given me some pointers, what systems to use with this thing, how to use it, everything. And I think we're going to knock out some great items. Today's video is going to be unboxing, assembly, and then tomorrow hopefully we can burn our first tile. So we're going to start with slate coasters, cork coasters, something inexpensive that if we screw it up, it's screwed up. It's a couple bucks out of our pocket, not a huge project for somebody. So let's get into this thing and see what it's all about. We did get the golden red because, you know, I like red and you got to have gold in your life. So let's rip into it and we'll be right back. I'm super excited for this. Can't wait. We are not in the shop today. We are actually at home. That is where the laser's going to live. The laser's not going to live at the shop. I'm just not currently there enough, and we don't have internet over there. So you can use it via USB card, but I don't know how I feel about that. So I don't know if the everything is the same. So nicely packed. Here is, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Our first box. I think this is like samples to get you started. I believe that's what this is. No, this is the book. All right, quick start book here. And then the instructions. Okay. Oh, these are in different. Okay, so we got looks like French, maybe German, Chinese, and then Das America. So, all right. So this box. Oh, there's more in there. There's more in there. Oh, we got a smart cutting machine. Thank you. Xtool member, thank you for choosing us. Your feedback truly means a lot. Awesome. So far the packaging, amazing. Love it. There's still more in this box. Magical things you made by Xtool. So this is going to be pretty interesting. Yeah, shows you what you can cut, what you can't cut, stuff like that. Now this is going to be the 10-watt version. We originally ordered a 20, or tried to order a 20. They were out of stock, and then we couldn't find a 10, so we just ordered a 5 to start with. You'll play with that, and that order got canceled, and then we stumbled across this 10 actually on Amazon and saved a boatload of money on it. So alright, so this is the little sample. We got a sheet of aluminum here. Looks like aluminum. Got some cork in there, acrylic, little piece of two pieces of basswood. Awesome. So that's going to come in real handy when we start doing some little just test pieces. I believe we're going to use Lightburn. A couple folks have said that Lightburn is because you got to pay for it. So there's cheaper ones out there. I was actually at a craft show yesterday talking to a gentleman that does this stuff, and he uses 2 different programs that are both free, but I'm like, then I got to transfer it over to this one and this one, and I don't want to get all of that. So here we got our first piece. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that color. Gold, red, very heavy aluminum. So nice. All right. We'll get everything out of the box here. Again, very nice packaging. Awesome packaging on everything. Everything looks very well packaged. Jeez, got so much stuff. There's a power cord. Of course, we need that. We never documented it on this channel because we didn't have this channel at that time, but back during the vid, we actually purchased a CNC router machine off of Amazon. And again, it was going to be a bottom of the line starter piece for us. And yeah, that was a complete mistake. Complete mistake. So this is not going to be. This is not going to be. Here is, hopefully this is our laser. There we go. There's our laser. Still more stuff in here. Here's all of our other cords, our power adapter. We're going to get everything out of the box and then figure out how to put this baby together. Let's see what we got. It looks like it's it. I mean, just everything is form fit in there. If you ever had to send it back for some reason, I mean, it's all right here. So, and a very thick box. The one thing I did not like, and thankfully Christy was home when it was delivered, is it flat says what it is right on the box. And of course, the UPS guy set it outside like that, so everybody could just see what it was. And I'm like, ugh. You know, porch pirates these days, they'll try to steal anything they can. So, yeah. All right, so we got all kinds of goodie pieces here. This is our screws and hardware. Let's get it out. We got a couple more zip ties. They give you a couple. I'll probably invest in some better zip ties. Alright, there's empty box. Put that up there. A very nice Xtool box here. This is our screwdriver in it. And it looks like all of our hardware stuff. Sorry, I'm showing it to the wrong camera there. So if I ever look up, I'm looking up at my computer to make sure we're still going. So, but here is the screwdriver. And then, most important part, guys, safety, safety, safety. We've got these beautiful, and I'm sure they make a lot better looking laser glasses. I'm sure you can go out there and get expensive ones and be all snazzy, cool looking, but I don't know, guys. I think these are pretty sick. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So always wear your safety glasses with these lasers. And anybody that's going to be around the laser as well. Not just you using it, but anybody that's going to be in the vicinity of you using it. So, lasers are not to play with. And by play with, I mean, okay, and then it gives you an SD card as well for transferring files. So, let's go ahead, let's get this book. Let's go. Let's put this thing together. I'm so excited for this. So excited for this. Another thank you. Here is a complete breakdown of everything that's in the box. Alright, step one, unbox it. No. Okay. The only thing it didn't come with, and I could probably order some more, was risers. Unless there's some in the box that I missed somehow. Some extra risers. I don't think this one came with it, but I am sure that you can purchase more of them. Nope. Oh, riser only included only in some packs, so probably mine didn't get them. So, alright, that's fine. That's fine. I had to buy my own. I knew there was some zip ties someplace that you cut. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna cut my fingers off over here. With my really good pocket knife. Yeah. Alright. Let's just go ahead and do this. We're gonna do this. We are actually gonna time ourselves on this. You're not gonna watch the whole thing, of course. You won't want to watch that because it might take a minute. So we're gonna get started right now, and we'll be back. instruction based on processing, offline processing, and framing. We have to put the SD card in. The fancy dancy, probably $2 SD card here. She's a small one too. SD card engaged, and that'll be it. So it's together. It only took us way too long. 55 took us 55 minutes to put it together. I'd say 10 of it was trying to get that one plug for me. My fingers don't work all that great. I've got fat sausage fingers, so they don't work perfect. Really digging. That's tight, yeah. Really digging the color. Love the color of it. It's pretty easy to put together. I probably will change up a couple of the zip ties that I put on there. I don't really like how a couple of them look. But the last thing we got to do is plug it in and see what she can do. So we're going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you come back tomorrow for a follow-up and see if we made something. So we're going to go download and purchase Lightburn. I think you get a 30-day free preview of it. So we're going to try that. And like I said, there's a lot of programs out there. If you guys use something different, let us know in the comments below. Again, this is our first ever laser. I went with the Xtool because it just looks stout. I like a tool that's not going to break in a day. So I don't think this thing's going to break unless I do something to it, which is more than likely. So I ended up with a couple extra screws, which always happens. You know how that is. We'll go back through the book, make sure we didn't miss something, and clean our mess up and get Lightburn going and see what we can do. Hopefully we can burn something either later today or for you guys tomorrow. So check us out, and we'll see you later. Two Dirty Hands out.